Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to post a status on your WeChat account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is open up your WeChat. The next thing you need to do is to click on Me. Next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here. The next thing you need to do is to it's going to take you right here. You can decide to add feelings. You can decide to make use of work and study. You can decide to use activities right here on your status. You can scroll down and see more right here. However, you can also post a custom information to your status on your WeChat. And for you to do that, click on enter right here. Then you can simply enter a text. Then the text should not be more than a view character. Then click on done. Then it's going to take you right here. Here, you can add your image, you can add your location, and you can also determine who are people that can view your status. So here, you can also come here and write something. You can write in a full detail right here. I can fly to China one day. Then you can also add hashtag if you like. So for you to choose background picture, click on here. Then select from your album or choose from your channels or take a photo or video of the status. I'm going to select from album right here and take me to my phone album right here. So we can simply add a photo or video. So I'm going to add this particular video right here. Then I'm going to simply click on done. Then we have the video right here. So I can decide to, then we have the video right here. I can decide to adjust the video blur, or then I can decide to add location right here. So right here, I can choose any of the location right here, or I can decide to hide my location. And at the same time, once you are done with whatever you want to post, next thing you need to do is to click on 36. Then you have it posted to your status right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial on how best to use your WeChat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.